Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 8 Algebraic Expressions and Identities, exercise 8.4, question number 1. The question is, we have to multiply the binomials. So in each and every problem they have given binomials. Binomials means we have in each expression two terms. For example, here it is 2x and then 5. So two terms in each expression we have, hence it is called binomials. So such binomials are given, we have to multiply both the terms. So coming to the first problem. So first subdivision it is 2x plus 5, we have to multiply with 4x minus 3. So we know that in this expression we have two terms and this expression also two terms. So first let us multiply the first term in the first expression with both the term in the second expression. So we need to multiply 2x with the 4x as well as 2x with minus 3. So in simple we can write it as, we need to multiply this first term to the second expression, that is 4x minus 3. And then what about the second term? Second term it is plus 5. And after multiplying first term with the second expression, we have to multiply second term with the second expression. So we have to multiply 5 with the 4x and 5 with the minus 3. So in simple, how I can write as a first step, 5 into this whole term. So 5 into 4x minus 3, like this I can write as the first expression. And then let us simplify this. So what and all we have to do? I have to multiply 2x with 4x and 2x with minus 3. So I can write it as 2x into 4x. And both the sign, here also plus, here also plus. When there is no symbol, meaning that it is plus. Plus into plus it is plus, so you can leave the symbol. And then now here it is plus, here it is minus. Plus into minus it is minus. And then 2x into 3. 2x into 3. Then coming to the second term, here plus, here plus. Plus into plus it is plus. Now I have to multiply 5 into 4x and 5 into minus 3. So first it is 5 into 4x. Plus into minus it is minus 5 into 3. 5 into 3. So now we have to multiply the constants first. What are all the constants available? 2 and 4. Here it is 2 and 3. Here it is 5 and 4. Here it is 5 and 3. So just multiply constants first in each and every terms. So 2 into 4 it is 8. And then we have x into x. What do you mean by x into x? X into x it is, commonly we can write 1x, and here the power is 1, here the power is 1. 1 plus 1 it is 2. So x into x it is x square. So here it is x square minus 2 into 3 it is 6, and then only 1x is available. Then 5 into 4 it is 20 and 1x is available, write that as it is, minus 5 3's are 15. So now it is 8x square. And we have two terms which is having x terms. So one term it is minus 6x, one term it is plus 20x. I am writing the bigger number in the upper row. So here commonly the variable available it is x, and since one number sign it is plus, one number sign it is minus, we need to subtract. So 20 minus 6 it is 14, and then bigger number sign it is plus, so it is plus 14x. So here it is plus 14x. So these two terms I can combine and I can write it as plus 14x, and this term it is minus 15. So this is the answer for the first subdivision. So coming to the second subdivision problem. So it is y minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So let us multiply y with both the terms first. So how we can write? Y into 3y minus 4, and then we need to multiply minus 8 with both the terms. So how we can write? It is minus 8 into 3y minus 4. So as a simple manner, just first write the given expression as properly. Then so here this y I need to multiply with both the terms, y into 3y and y into minus 4. Similarly minus 8 I need to multiply with 3y also, minus 4 also. So how we can write? Y into 3y, and both the sign it is plus, plus into plus it is plus. here plus, here minus. So plus into minus it is minus, and then y into 4. Then minus into plus it is minus 8 into 3y. Minus into minus it is plus 8 into 4. So in each and every term find out what are the constants available. Here it is 3, here it is 4, here 8 3, here 8 4. So here only 3 is available, you can write 3 as it is. Y into y it is y square. Now only we have seen x into x is x square. So similarly y into y it is y square minus, here the constant is 4, variable is 5. Write y as it is. 8 3s are 24 and then variable is 5 and then plus 8 4s are 32. Here it is y square, here it is constant, no issues, only one time it is available, but y term it is available 2 times. So one is minus 4y minus 24y, another term. So commonly available variable is y, both the sign it is same, minus. So just add your values, 24 plus 4 it is 28 and the sign it is minus. So these two terms I can combine and I can write it as minus 28y and then plus 32. So this is answer for the second problem. Then coming to the third subdivision, it is 2.5L minus 0.5M, that I have to multiply with the 2.5L plus 0.5M. So what I can do, first I have to multiply this 2.L with both the terms available here. So I can write it as 2.5L into both the terms, 2.5L plus 0.5M. So like this I can expand your terms and I can write. Then second term in the first expression it is minus 0.5M. So minus 0.5M I have to multiply with both the terms available in the second expression. So it is minus 0.5M into 2.5L plus 0.5M. So once you have done that, so I have to multiply this 2.5L with each and every term available within the bracket. So 2.5L I have to multiply with this, I have to multiply with this also. Similarly minus 0.5M I have to multiply with this and I have to multiply with this also. So first I can write your terms properly, split your terms and write 2.5L into 2.5L. Next term again plus into plus it is plus, so this term into this term. So 2.5L into 0.5M. Then minus into plus it is minus 0.5M into 2.5L. Then minus into plus it is minus 0.5M into 0.5M. So once you have written that, just multiply these two values at C. So what is 2.5 into 2.5? So 2.5 into 2.5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 and then 12, 5 2s are 10, 1, 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 it is 5. So it is 625. Since decimal point here it is 1 point, here it is 1 point, totally I have to take 2 points. After 2 numbers I have to put the point. Why? Because here 1 point, here 1 point, decimal point, right? So 1 plus 1 it is 2, so I have to take your value after 2 numbers as a decimal point. So it is 6.25. So it is 6.25. When you multiply 2.5 into 2.5 it is 6.25. What is L into L? L into L, it is L square. Then what are all the constants available here? 2.5 and then 0.5. Just multiply both the values. 2.5 into 0.5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 and then 2. So here it is 0 into any value, it is 0. So here also 1 point, here also 1 point. So totally 2 points you have to take. So 1, 2. So it is 1.25. So this value is 1.25. L into M. L into M you can write it as LM minus. Here 0.5 into 2.5. Already 0.5 into 2.5 I have determined that it is 1.25. M into L is same as that of L into M. So M into L, or I can write it as L into M, both are same. So I can write this also as LM because both are same. Then minus 0.5 into 0.5. 0.5 into 0.5. So 5 5s are 25. So here 1 point, here 1 point. So it is 0.25. So it is 0.25. m into m, it is m square. So now it is 6.25 L square, this 1.25 Lm, this minus 1.25 Lm get cancelled, because one value plus one value minus means I can cancel both the values. So here this term only available, that is 0.25 M square. Okay. So coming to the fourth problem. So fourth problem, it is a plus 3b into x plus 5. So as usual, this a I have to multiply, with both the terms available here. So how I can write a into x plus 5. Then here it is plus 3b. So plus 3b into both the terms I have to write. So x plus 5. So now expand and write. So a into x and a into 5. A into x and then plus into plus, it is plus a into 5. Then 3b into x, 3b into 5. So how I can write plus 3b into x and then plus into plus, it is plus 3b into 5. 3b into 5. Then here no other constants, a into x I can write it as ax. Then constant is 5, variable is a. Here the constant is 3, variable is b into x is bx. Then 3 5s are 15, then the variable is b. So check whether any variable is repeated. So here it is ax, here it is a, here it is bx, here it is b. So you cannot further simplify this term. This is the answer for the fourth subdivision. Then coming to the fifth problem, it is 2pq plus 3q square, that I have to multiply with 3pq minus 2q square. Okay. So as usual, each and every terms in the first expression I have to multiply with each and every terms in the second expression. So what I have to do, first 2pq I have to multiply with both the terms available. So that how I can write 2pq into 3pq minus 2q square. Then this term I have to multiply with this. So how I can write plus 3q square into this whole term. What is that whole term? 3pq minus 2q square. Then this term is multiplied with each and every term available in this bracket. So this into this, this into this. Similarly, this into this and this into this I have to multiply. So here also plus, here also plus, plus into plus, it is plus. So this term into this term. So it is what? 2pq into 3pq. Then plus into minus, it is minus. So this into this, that is 2pq into 2q square. Then plus into plus, it is plus. This term into this term, 3q square into 3pq. Then this term into this term, plus into minus, it is minus 3q square into 2q square. So what are the constants available? 2, 3. Here it is minus 2, 2. Here it is 3 and 3. Here it is 3 and 2. So just multiply constant terms first of all and then multiply your variables. So 2 3s are 6. And then what are the p terms available? Here one p, here one p. P into p, it is p square. What are the q terms available? Q into q. Q into q, it is q square. Then minus 2 2s are 4. Then what are all the p variable? Only one p term it is there, it is p. Q into q square, it is what? Q cube. So we know that q into q square. Only one time we can write q, the power we have to add. So here it is 1, here it is 2. 1 plus 2, it is 3. So q into q square, it is q cube. Then plus 3 3s are 9. Then q square into q, it is q cube. P is only available one time, that is p, and then we know that q square into q, it is also what? 2 plus 1, it is 3, so it is q cube. So this term is also q cube. Then minus 3 2s are 6. Here q square into q square, q square into q square. So only one time you can write q, 2 plus 2, it is 4. So it is q power 4. So finally it is 6p square q square, and then here both the variables are same. So one term it is 9p q cube and one term it is minus 4p q cube. So both the common variables are p q cube. 9 minus 4 it is 5. It is plus 5. Why? Because bigger number sign is plus, so here also plus. So when you combine these two terms, it is plus 5 p q cube, and then what about this term? Minus 6 q power 4. This is the final answer for the fifth problem. So coming to the last problem, that is sixth problem, we have to multiply these two terms. Before multiplying these two terms, since they have given 4 outside, first we have to multiply 4 inside and we have to simplify this. So we know that 4a square minus 2 by 3 b square, it is what? Just multiply 4 inside. So 4 into a square, this term 4 into minus 2 by 3 b square I have to multiply. So it is 4 into a square, 4a square, then minus 4 2s are 8, 8 by 3 b square. So this is the second term now. So this term and this term I have to multiply. That is 3 by 4 a square plus 3b square. I have to multiply with 4 a square minus 8 by 3 b square. So now again as usual, first term I have to multiply with both the terms available in the second expression. So how I can write? 3 by 4 a square, I have to multiply with 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. Similarly, second term I have to multiply with both the terms available in the second expression. So what is the second term? 3b square, I have to multiply with 4a square minus 8 by 3 b square. So just multiply both the terms inside. So this into this I have to do first. That is 3 by 4 into a square. Again this term I have to multiply. Similarly this into this I have to do. So 3 by 4 a square into what? 4 a square. And then plus into minus, it is minus. So this into this. 3 by 4 a square into 8 by 3 b square. So this into this. Plus into plus, it is plus 3b square into 4a square. Plus into minus, it is minus 3b square into 8 by 3 b square. So now coming to the last expression, the constant, what are all the constants available? These are all the constants. So 3 by 4, 4, 3 by 4, 8 by 3, 3 and then 4 and then 3 and then 8 by 3. So just multiply constants and all first and then write your variables. So here it is 3 by 4 into 4. Then what are all the variables? A square into a square. Then minus 3 by 4 into 8 by 3. Then a square into b square. Then plus 3 into 4. Then b square into a square. Then minus 3 into 8 by 3. Then b square into b square we have. So 4 and 4 get cancelled. 4 4s are 4 and 4 1s are 4. Again 4 1s are 4. Both the terms get cancelled. So in the first term I have only 3. What is a square into a square? We know that a square into a square. So commonly it is a, take a one time. 2 plus 2 it is what? 4. So a square into a square, it is a power 4. Then so this 3 get cancelled. 4 1s are 4. 4 2s are 8. So numerator I have only minus 2. Then a square into b square, it is a square b square. Then 3 4s are 12. So plus 12. B square into a square, I can write it as what? A square b square. So reverse you can write. Then minus 3 and 3 get cancelled. It is 8. And then similarly b square into b square. Commonly you can write b, add your power. 2 plus 2 it is 4. So it is b power 4. So here it is 3a power 4. And then coming to this term. So these two terms I can combine. So I have 12 a square b square, and then here it is minus 2 a square b square. So commonly this term it is a square b square, 12 minus 2 it is 10. So it is 12 minus 2 it is 10 a square b square, and then this term it is minus 8 b power 4. So this is the final answer for the last subdivision. Thank you. Thanks for watching.